I'm back again, Brian Mast, Director of Facilities, here to give you another update on the exciting progress of this Westlawn project. I want to give a special shout out to the students who are arriving back. The new students are already back, and this weekend we welcome all of you students back, and we're so excited to have you here. We want to give you a special shot of what's going on the corner of campus. So this is the Westlawn building. Over my right shoulder you can see the new elevator stair tower. It's got the final finishes on it. Those big vertical fins are on the east side. They've been installed. They're going to help cut down some of the sunlight flowing into it so that the stair tower doesn't get so hot. Behind me, right behind me, is the new terrace that we're going to have. It's enlarged, it has a full covered roof. It's about triple the size of what the old one was. And so you'll be able to eat your meals out here even when it's raining, maybe when it's snowing. We want to expand the seasons that we can use this terrace, this outdoor space. All of this becomes lawn and pavers, sidewalks get put back in. We're really excited how this is coming along. Let's go inside and check it out. So now we're on the inside of the elevator tower, the elevator stair tower. Behind me you can see that these new handrails have gone in. They'll be painted black, and they'll have stainless steel cables running in between with a wood cap and handrail on them. So really dress them up nice. You can see paint starting to happen in this space. And we talked about earlier the louvers that have gone on the south and east side. So there's vertical fins on the east wall and horizontal fins on the south wall, just to help cut down the solar heat gain in this space. So I'm standing in one of the huddle rooms, and I know you've seen these before, but what's exciting now is you see this white strip that's going all the way around me. That's all writable wall surface. So it's like a big whiteboard that students can work stuff out on if they want to do group projects, if they need to be collaborating on something. These are going to be collaboration spaces. They'll have nice furniture in them that's comfortable and functional as well. So this is the skills lab, and I know you've seen this space in the videos, but it's kind of nice to see the progression from bare studs to now you see finishes. The wallpaper has gone on the lower sides. The headboards have all been wrapped. To my right here, you can see some of the medical equipment starting to be mocked up, the med gas and the suction. The flooring is going in, vinyl flooring, indicating where the beds will be. We're really excited, and the lights are on. That's a new thing. So we're really excited to see this space come together. So we're standing here in the new commons space. The last time I was with you, I'm not sure there was drywall on the walls. We now have drywall and paint on the walls. Behind me is the mezzanine up there, where there'll be a couple of study rooms, furniture systems with study rooms. Behind me on this side will be a beautiful view rail staircase going up. And you can see the ceiling tile is going in. Things are really starting to finish off in this space. So this is the community room. We're calling it the community room because we think it'll be used for a lot of different things. This is one of the first peeks at this space with all of the stuff cleared out of it. This will have movable tables and chairs in it, so it can be set up in a boardroom configuration. They could all be cleared out for a student function. Student clubs could meet here. We're really excited about it. Around the corner, you'll see these black boxes behind me. Each one of those are monitors, so that if a presentation is being given, people have different options to see, be able to see what's being presented. To my right here will be some casework, some cabinets, and a countertop, so that food could be set there for a catered kind of event. So it'll be a little more of an upscale space that's usable by everybody. So this is the dining hall, and right now it's a mess, as you can see, but one of the things that's finished is the painted ceiling, much lighter color. It used to be dark purple, which made this space feel a little bit smaller. So all the walls are getting repainted. New flooring comes in. We'll have new carpet, and the tile will have LVT planks on it that look really, really nice. A little more upscale feel, and we think this will be a much more inviting place for you to eat your meals. So we're standing in the brand new Servery. This is just in front of the kitchen. You might remember what the old Servery looked like. This is much more modern, beautiful. Students, you'll enter from this side behind me over my right shoulder and go through the line. There'll be a big cooktop here where Chef Jeremy can be cooking up stuff to order. Behind me here, you'll see this window with the warming lights. The pizzas get made right on the other side of this, and so they'll come out and sit under the warming lights to be served. It's just a much more modern, beautiful space. All new equipment, so we're really excited to see what ABI Fresh has in store for us. Thanks. So now we're on the west side of the building. This is off of State Road 15, so it's a little louder out here. But this is the new U driveway that was put in. It'll be a drop-off area primarily. Students who are living in Culp will probably come through here and park to move in. Behind me, you can see a new glass door go in. We're putting in airlocks on both sides of the building so that we're a little more energy efficient. Thanks so much for tuning in and checking this video out. We'll have more for you soon.